What's up, guys? Welcome to the channel. Thanks for tuning in. Last time I left you guys, we had the E36 in the shop. We were trying to test fit the wheels and that didn't go as planned. Well, today we're back for round 2. So with that being said, most likely we're going to put the wheels on the E36, try to cut the over fenders like we were trying to do in the last video, and let's see how successful we could be today. You know, today's word is productivity. For everyone tuning in, the word for your day for tomorrow will be productivity. We're all just trying to be productive, make things happen, and what better way than, you know, encouraging each other to do so. Okay, guys, so my last video didn't go as planned due to the fact that I left the adapters for the E36 home, but we're back for round 2. For sure, we get the wheels on today. We get the specs right. We get a test fit. And we show you guys what we sitting like, you know what I'm saying? Stay tuned. All right, guys. So these are the adapters. For those of you who've never seen them, I don't know if you have or have not, but I figured I'd show you guys. These are what adapters are. They go from one bolt pattern and they change the lug pattern to another. In case you don't want to re-drill your wheels, this is an alternative to that. So we're gonna place these on. All right, guys, hope you enjoyed the cinematics. As you can see in the background, my boy Kern is working on some rims for a budget build that we didn't reveal to you guys yet, unfortunately, but stay tuned and I promise you we will. What up, bro?
What's up?
All right, so.
Crack, no crack.
Boom, just like that. My boy Kern worked that YouTube magic. All right, guys, so the wheels are on. My fitment is but the wheels are looking good. I do have some adjustments to make. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, so don't criticize me, don't crucify me, please. You know, we're gonna make it a hot boy build. So that means fender to lip, camber, nothing crazy, just, you know, nice little camber to make it fit, make it look a little sideways, you know. And yeah, that should be about it. So I guess less of me talking and let's get to the cinematics.
Shorty authentic, knew it since I walked in it. Fully loaded with the money, but she won't spend it. I've been moving at a pace, shorty dark-skinned it. She ain't never been my type, but I'm all in it. Niggas gon' hate on me. Niggas hate it when I come through and pick up in the foreign. Niggas can't do what I do, she calling them boring.
Hope you guys enjoyed the cinematics. We're back. As far as fitment, I'm pretty sure most of you stance guys saw it. My fitment is horrible right now. Like, you can almost like fist it, like give it a pound. But on the front, we're looking, you know what I'm saying? Ooh, static gang. We're looking nice. So next video, most likely, we'll be ordering some coils. I'm not gonna lie, this may not be an E36 video. We might get into the S14 or the surprise build that we have one coming for the channel so you guys can see it. We may not do too much on the car itself, but we'll at least introduce it, show you guys what we have for it. We picked up some tires not too long ago, probably like 3 days ago, 2 days ago. And my boy Kern picked up some rims for super cheap. Like I told you guys, this is gonna be a cost-efficient build for the average Joe, the average person who isn't looking to spend a crazy amount of money and dump it into their car. This one's for you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed today's episode. Thanks for tuning in. Like I always say, I'm Shaq. This is Don Concepts. My boy Kern, the master fabricator in the building, making all the magic happen. Tune in to the next video to see what craziness we get into. Might get into some S14, might get into some E36, might get into, not gonna say another build, but like, comment, subscribe, help your boy out. It's free. Peace.